Today we read Proverbs 22 through 24. Something that stood out to me in these verses is about how the wise are encouraged to help those who are not, to point them in the right direction. It's one of the reasons I am so drawn to the song Build My Life from Pat Barrett. Would y'all join me in responding in worship to our reading today? Worthy of every song we could ever sing, worthy of all the praise we could ever bring, worthy of every breath we could ever bring. We live for you, oh, we live for you. Jesus, the name above every other name. Jesus, the only one who could ever save. Worthy of every breath we could ever breathe. We live for you, oh, we live for you. And holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder. Show me who you are and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around me. Oh, worthy of every song we could ever sing, worthy of all the praise we could ever bring, worthy of every breath we could ever breathe. We live for you, oh, we live for you. Jesus, the name above every other name. Jesus, the only one who could ever save. Worthy of every breath we could ever breathe. We live for you, oh, we live for you. Holy, holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder. Show me who you are and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around me. Holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder. Show me who you are and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around me. Oh, lead me in your love, lead me in your love. Oh, and I will build my life upon your love. It is a firm foundation, and I will put my trust in you alone, and I will not be shaken. And I will build my life upon your love. It is a firm foundation, and I will and show me who you are and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around me. Yeah, holy, there is no one like you. Oh, there is none beside you. Open up my eyes and wonder, and show me who you are and fill me with your heart and lead me in your love to those around. Lead me in your love. Lead me in your love. Lead me in your love. The wise put their hope and trust in the firm foundation that cannot be shaken, not on wisdom of the world that changes decade to decade and year to year. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.